Welcome back to Joan Tat. I'm your host, Joan Tat. Today we will be doing bird tattoo. This is a bird. That's a bird. A bird. It is a bird. So many different types of birds, and they all look terrible. As I am the most conservative person in the world, I will put it on my arm. It's been a big discussion here at Joan Tat's studio. Where should I put it on my arm? Let's be nuanced, let's be specific. The hand is absurd. That is disgusting if I put it here. So far we have this little doggy running away, running toward, jumping over. We don't know yet. Should the bird go on the dog? Should I put it above? I know that maybe some of you are wondering, what is going on? Have I lost my mind? Why would someone tattoo themselves once a week, film it, put it on the internet, and tell people that they're doing that? Like, I don't know. The bird will chase the dog. It's chasing the dog. Chase that dog, you crazy little. So this is the first Christmas that I'm spending all by myself. I bought a Christmas tree, put lights on it, thought that would be enough. My dad even offered to buy me a flight home. Every time I leave my cat, she stops eating. And then she's so scared that I won't come back that she just gives up. That makes sense. It's almost flattering. So, what we need to do is put the bird on the wrist. I don't know why this is stressing me out so much, but this is super conservative. This is the smartest decision I've ever made. And here we go. Come on, you bird. Bird it up. You're supposed to use, like gel. It's so annoying if it fucks up. Hello, my name is Joan Tat. What would you like to eat, Mr. Joan? Now, I forgot to do a crucial step. Alcohol to clean the area before putting the stencil on. I'll lightly dab it. Yup, it does not like that. The stencil is completely fucked up now. Okay, babies. Now let's tattoo. I don't even like